Hi, I'm Rachel from Away with the Fairies, and today we're in sunny Nenagh in Tipperary. We've been invited by a customer to create a fairy garden for her kids. Now, the children get home at 2:30 from school, so we better get our skates on and get busy. So the great thing about this fairy garden is it's going to be in a beautiful apple orchard, and Adie's installing some platforms in the trees now for the solar houses that are going to look fantastic at night. They'll charge up during the day and light up at night, so you'll not only get a daytime effect but you'll get a nighttime effect too. So I've created some little fairy ladders that are hanging down from the platforms, and this is to make it easier for the fairies to get to their houses, because when they're flying in at speed they might crash into the platform, so they need a ladder that they can slowly climb up. So for this fairy garden we used a variety of fairy houses and lots of different accessories. We also added a number of fairy doors dotted around the trees. We used a combination of solar fairy houses and ones with opening doors that the children could play with. There was even a letter from the fairies for the children when they came home from school. So the customer was quite keen not to have much stuff on the floor of this fairy garden, but what we did create for her was 2 gorgeous tree stump fairy houses. Now they're very sturdy, they're not going to go anywhere because she's got small kids and dogs. So we're a bit under time pressure, we've only got half an hour to go, so I don't know why I'm talking to you, I'm off.
Where did you get that?
Oh my god! What the heck?
Oh my god, look what
Oh my god!
Oh my god, and it takes you to see. Wow. Oh my god. Thank you guys.
So don't forget, if you'd like your very own fairy garden, or perhaps you'd like us to help you create a fairy trail in your house or at your business, we'd be delighted to work with you. We make it bespoke and specific to your needs. You can contact us on the website. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.